Hello everyone, my name is Yuxi Gu, and next I am going to introduce my assessment 1. For this project, I'm going to focus on Sustainable Development Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Sustainable consumption and production promotes resource and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, and access to green and decent job, and a better quality of life. The specific targets be addressed 12.3 and 12.5. Purpose of the choose SDG while pay attention to food waste, also pay attention to the sustainability of the product packaging and maximize the research of sustainable design for the production chain to the subsequent recycling of the products. About the critical impact, different customer has consumption habits almost every day. The storage and transportation of foods and commodities require a large amount of the material and resource consumption, and the supply chain process involved a large amount of food waste and resource loss. Australia is an outstanding producer of the quality and self-food the world needs, but we take it for granted. We produce enough food to feed 15.5 million people in a country of the 25 million, yet waste 7.6 million tons of food each year. Between 2015 and 2020, total waste generated in New South Wales rose by 17% to 21.9 million tons. In the same period, the amount of the waste disposal in New South Wales still increased. While the recycle totally grew at a much higher rate. The key stakeholders, customers, and the enterprise take use the customers, family with the shopping habits, product customer, food customers. My 3 presentations are also about food products design and products packaging with the environmental friendly material to take some sustainable packaging design implications. Kagura was created by Chao Zhiling so that environmental conscious people can curate their very own self-sustaining indoor gardens no matter where they live. Kagura's system is comprised of the 3 main working parts: a container for food waste, an elevated light schedule, and 3 soil pots. Placement goods sustainable in-flight meal service is a complete change from the traditional flight use to receiving an air flight. The design concept uses a wide range of elements that are particle eatable, reusable, soluble, or biodegradable. Made from recycled polyester glass, 3 straws are recyclable, reusable, and easy to clean and maintain. The impact of the plastic on environmental and marine life is huge. Encouraging households to use products made of the sustainable material and reuse the design will help improve the product life cycle and achieve the goal of sustainability. For the imagination of future food, according to the requirements of the market economy, the development of food should take into account the development trend of the environmental and the trend of sustainable development, and devote to the future eatable packaging food. The food that can be eaten in the packaging is delicious, so as to giving customers more safe and pleasure eating experience. When people go shopping in clothing store, in the future, clothing material will made of recycled and eco-friendly material, including shopping bags with recyclable paper packaging. Used clothing store can recycle the recycled material, which will be created by designers and artists to return the clothes into art or new goods for display or resale at a low price. In the future, more environmentalists will promote the importance of environmental protection and sustainability. The software uses high-tech tools called sustainable index to estimate how long the life cycle of any products around it, as well as how and where to recycle them. Taking advantage of the people's curiosity about the life cycle of every object around them, use the tools to photograph and evaluate it. The prototype was made based on their vision for the future 3 interactive app page design. The life cycle of the product is measured by photographing and scan items and provide recycling location and recycling suggestion, offer recycling programs to customers. And that's all. This is the reference. Thank you for your listening.